What's up, guys? In today's video, I will show you how to convert an Amazon Kindle book to PDF. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that not all Kindle books can be converted. Many ebooks are protected by the DRM, or Digital Rights Management, which prevents direct exporting or conversion. If your Kindle book supports printing, open it in the Kindle desktop app on your computer. Then click Print or press Ctrl P. In the printer list, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Select where you want to save the file and click Print or Save. This method works for certain books, such as some textbooks or printable documents. If printing isn't available, you can also try using Calibre, a free ebook management tool. Download and install Calibre on your computer. Then open the program and click Add Books to import your ebook. After importing the file, select the book and click Convert Books. In the output menu, choose PDF, then click OK to start conversion. Keep in mind that the ebook is protected by the DRM. The conversion may not work. Always make sure you're converting content that you legally own and are allowed to modify. And that's it. That's how you can convert an Amazon Kindle book to PDF. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.